start coughing up feathers.
If you haven't looked behind us, it's a
I usually just
poster,
completely
and it's
forget whatever it was that I was like, who I am,
so
and
I'm
my
gonna
identity.
they should have put it on the stage so she could hold it at the end of the event. So.
What's your security number? What's your security number?
Well, for me, I turned into soap and I slid down the drain.
They were
Sorry, okay. I tend to talk way too loud and way too fast.
I do too! I do too!
There's a nice shade of red. It's really awkward, but...
You know what? Adrian's a liar. She is a man.
No! They like other boys that are my age, okay?
You know what?
I'm a really expressive person, so for me, I wouldn't be able to hide it, so I have to like run to the bathroom or wherever, and then just freak out for a second, and then collect myself. Then they never knew that I was freaking out.
Okay, I don't know this thing because I just realized that I literally do not know how to talk to people. So I don't know how to talk. I get really shy and I'm like, wait, what do I say? What do I ask him? I literally have no idea what to say other than, hey, how was your day? And then I'm like, wait, what else do you even ask the person?
Yeah, so basically all of us turn into a complete mess. Any guys relate to any of that?
Yes!
So if you're a mess just like us, fire